Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Babalian Money Show. Today, we re-diving into a topic that so many of you have asked about, the easiest remote jobs you can start right now. If you've been dreaming of ditching the commute and working from the comfort of your own home, this video is for you. We'll explore several roles that don't require years of specialized training or a fancy degree, but still offer the flexibility and freedom of remote work. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, a quick disclaimer. The information in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and isn't financial advice. Your earning potential can vary based on your skills, experience, and the effort you put in. Always do your own research before jumping into any new career path. All right, with that out of the way, let's get to the good stuff. First up on our list is one of the most accessible entry points into the remote world. Virtual assistant, or VA. If you're organized, a good communicator, and have a solid grasp of basic office software, you can thrive as a VA. What do they do? Well, almost anything a traditional administrative assistant would do, but remotely. This could include managing emails, scheduling appointments, handling social media accounts, bookkeeping, and even customer service. The beauty of being a VA is the variety. You could work for a single entrepreneur, a small business, or even take on multiple clients at once. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and specialized VA matching sites are fantastic places to find your first clients. You can start by offering a specific service you're good at, like social media scheduling, and then expand your offerings as you gain experience and confidence. Next, let's talk about data entry. This might not sound like the most glamorous job, but it's a legitimate and straightforward way to earn money from home. Companies across all industries need accurate data to function, whether it's updating customer records, inputting sales figures, or transcribing information from one format to another. The primary skills you need are a keen eye for detail, decent typing speed, and a high degree of accuracy. Many data entry jobs are project-based, giving you the flexibility to work when it suits you. You can find these roles on freelance marketplaces, and some companies hire remote data entry clerks directly. It's a solid no-fuss option for anyone looking for a reliable remote job without a steep learning curve. Our third easy remote job is online tutoring or teaching. With the rise of e-learning, the demand for online tutors has exploded. If you have a good understanding of a particular subject, whether it's math, a foreign language, science, or even playing a musical instrument, you can share your knowledge with students around the world. Platforms like VIP Kid, Check Tutors, or TutorMe connect tutors with students. For many of these, you don't necessarily need a formal teaching degree, just proven expertise in your subject. You can set your own hours, and the work is incredibly rewarding. You're not just earning an income. You're helping someone learn and grow. It's a win-win. Another fantastic option is becoming a transcriptionist. Transcription involves listening to audio or video files and typing out what is said into a text document. This is crucial for creating captions for videos, generating written records of meetings, or for legal and medical documentation. While medical and legal transcription require specialized training, general transcription is much more accessible. All you need is a good pair of headphones, strong listening skills, and the ability to type accurately and quickly. Companies like Rev and TranscribeMe are always looking for freelance transcriptionists. They often provide style guides to follow, making it easy to get started even as a beginner. Let's move on to something a little more creative, social media manager. Don't let the title intimidate you. Many small businesses know they need a social media presence, but simply don't have the time to manage it themselves. That's where you come in. If you're naturally savvy with platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, you can offer your services. This could involve creating and scheduling posts, engaging with followers, responding to comments and messages, and helping to grow the brand's online community. You can start by reaching out to local businesses in your area and offering a small, affordable package. As you build a portfolio of successful accounts, you can increase your rates and take on bigger clients. It's a fun, dynamic role that lets you tap into your creative side. Now, For those of you who love providing help and solutions, consider a role in customer service. A huge number of companies now hire remote customer service representatives to handle inquiries via phone, email, or live chat. The primary requirements are excellent communication skills, patience, and a problem-solving mindset. Companies will typically provide all the training you need on their products, services, and systems. This is a great option if you're looking for a more stable, often full-time remote position with a consistent schedule. Big companies like Amazon, Apple, and many major airlines frequently hire for these roles, so keep an eye on their career pages. Finally, let's talk about being a content moderator. In our digital world, online platforms need people to ensure that user-generated content adheres to their community guidelines. As a content moderator, your job would be to review posts, images, and videos to filter out inappropriate material. This job requires a strong stomach and emotional resilience, as you may encounter sensitive content, but it's an incredibly important role in keeping online spaces safe. It's a job you can do from anywhere with an internet connection, and it usually doesn't require any prior experience, as companies provide specific training on their moderation policies. So there you have it, 7 of the easiest remote jobs you can start exploring today. From administrative tasks and data entry to teaching and social media, there's a wide range of options that cater to different skills and interests. The key is to identify what you're good at, what you enjoy, and then find the role that fits. Don't be afraid to start small. Build your experience and grow from there. The world of remote work is vast and full of opportunities. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this gave you some valuable ideas and inspiration for your remote job search. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. We've got a lot more content coming your way to help you on your financial journey. Thanks again for tuning in to the Babalian Money Show, and I'll see you in the next one.